Hello and welcome to Getting Started with Wave Free Edition. This course will walk you through, step by step, how to manage bookkeeping for your small business with ease. I'm Ting Chun Ye, and today I'll show you 5 steps to simplify your finances. Here's an outline of what we'll cover in this course. We'll start with frequently asked questions, where we address common bookkeeping challenges, walk through the complete bookkeeping process, compare accounting software with Excel, and explain why a profit and loss statement is essential. Next, we'll introduce Wave Free Edition with 5 simple steps: signing up for an account, adjusting your business settings, recording income and expenses, and generating reports. After that, we'll look at add-ons that make bookkeeping more practical, followed by the advanced full course content, which gives you professional level skills. Finally, we'll close with course and service inquiries, so you know how to get in touch and take the next step. Many small business owners face the same problems. How much am I really earning? Which expenses can I deduct? Why don't I understand my reports? Don't worry, today, we'll solve these problems using Wave Free Edition. Bookkeeping isn't just about entering numbers, it's about keeping your business finances clear and reliable. Let's walk through the complete bookkeeping process. We start with income management. That means creating invoices, recording payments, and tracking income across different platforms or currencies, so you know exactly how much you earn each month. Then comes expense management. Here, you collect receipts and bills, separate business from personal spending, and mark tax-deductible items so you don't miss savings at tax time. The third step is reconciliation. This is where you connect your bank and credit card accounts, match your records with actual transactions, and correct any errors. This step ensures accuracy and builds trust in your books. Next is accounts receivable and payable, tracking unpaid invoices, managing vendor bills, and making sure cash keeps flowing steadily. If you own equipment or vehicles, you also need to handle fixed assets and depreciation, spreading the cost of major purchases across several years. Another key step is tax management. Preparing for GST, PST, or HST if required, keeping a list of deductible expenses, and setting aside tax money in advance will save you stress later. Finally, we close the books. Monthly or quarterly, you should review your profit and loss statement and adjust strategies based on the numbers. And at year-end, reconcile all transactions, prepare tax documents, and work with an accountant or software to stay compliant. In short, bookkeeping is a cycle: income, expenses, reconciliation, cash flow, assets, taxes, and closing. With Wave, each of these steps becomes simpler, helping you run your business with confidence. Many people wonder, should I just use Excel, or should I switch to accounting software? Let's compare. With accounting software, much of the work is automated. Your bank transactions can sync automatically, importing and sorting for you. In Excel, everything has to be typed manually, which takes more time and often leads to mistakes. Invoicing is another big difference. Accounting software gives you professional templates, and it can send and track invoices automatically, even sending reminders. In Excel, you would need to build your own template, and there's no way to track whether your client has paid. When it comes to reporting, accounting software can instantly generate profit and loss statements and even tax reports. Excel requires manual formulas, which are not only time-consuming but also prone to errors. Data security is also stronger with accounting software. Your data is backed up in the cloud and focused on financial protection. Excel can be stored in the cloud too, but you have to manage security yourself. And finally, cost efficiency. Excel is free, but it can become very costly in terms of time and effort. Accounting software may cost money, but it saves hours of work and gives you more reliable results. In short, Excel is fine if you only need to record a few entries once in a while. But if you want to save time, reduce errors, and present yourself more professionally, accounting software is the better choice. And remember, bookkeeping is not just about the tools you use, but about understanding the reports. For example, cash flow is not the same as a profit and loss statement, and we'll look at that difference next. Many freelancers ask, if I already track cash flow, why do I need a profit and loss statement? The difference is big. A cash flow sheet only shows money in and out. It tells you whether you received or spent cash, but it doesn't mean you earned a real profit. A P&L reveals your true business results. With a P&L, you can prepare for taxes early by knowing which expenses are deductible. It also makes your business look more professional, important when working with banks or partners. And most importantly, it helps you track growth, showing net profit clearly so you can adjust strategies. Technically, cash flow sheets are based on simple cash accounting, very rough, informal, and limited. A P&L follows accrual accounting, which is structured, complete, and reliable for tax filing, business owners, or even investors. So, while a cash flow sheet is fine for short-term reference, it's not enough long-term. A P&L is the real tool freelancers and small businesses need. Next, let's look at the structure of a P&L statement. A simple income and expense report just shows income minus expenses equals remaining cash. But a profit and loss statement goes further. Revenue minus cost of goods sold gives gross profit. Subtract operating expenses to get operating income, and then subtract taxes and other items to find net profit. This breakdown reveals your true profitability, not just cash left over. So, what exactly is Wave? Wave is a free cloud-based accounting software, and it's completely free for users in North America. You can log in anytime, anywhere, and your data is automatically backed up in the cloud. With Wave, you can create and send invoices, record payments, manage your expenses, generate reports, and even handle tax-related tasks, all in one place. Now, who is Wave designed for? It's a great fit for freelancers who want to know whether they're truly making a profit. It also works well for small businesses with lower transaction volumes, but who still need professional financial reports. And for cost-conscious users, it saves the high fees of other accounting tools. Finally, Wave is perfect for anyone preparing tax filings, applying for a loan, or working with partners, since you can create a profit and loss statement or tax report with just one click. In short, Wave gives you professional bookkeeping tools without the price tag. Step 1 in getting started with Wave is to sign up for an account. Go to the Wave website at waveapps.com and click Get Started for free. Choose your preferred sign-in option, then enter your basic information and click Next. Continue entering any additional details as prompted, and click Next again. After that, click the 3 blue sections shown on the page to complete the setup, and finally, choose the free starter plan. Your Wave account is now ready to use. Step 2 is setting up your business information. At the top right of the screen, click on your company name, then select Business Settings. On the left menu, choose Dates and Currency. On the right side, set your fiscal year-end date. This ensures that your reports in Wave match your business's accounting period. Now setting up sales taxes. In the Business Settings menu, click Sales Taxes to create your tax rates. In the top right, select Create a Sales Tax. For example, if you're registered for GST, enter the required details and then click Save. Your tax rate is now ready to be applied automatically to invoices and expenses. Then setting up your chart of accounts. From the left menu, go to Accounting and select Chart of Accounts. Here, you can add or edit accounts to fit your industry. To create a new account, click Add a New Account. To make changes to an existing account, simply click the edit icon next to it. Customizing your chart of accounts ensures your reports reflect the way your business actually operates. Here's an example of adding a new account in Wave. First, choose the account type by selecting the appropriate category. Next, enter the account name. Then, select the account currency. The account ID and description fields are optional, fill them in if you need additional details. Finally, click Save to finish creating the new account. Step 3 is recording income. From the menu, go to Transactions and choose Add Manual Transaction. Fill in the details, including the date, the account name, the deposit amount, and the category. This ensures your income is accurately tracked and properly organized in Wave. When recording income, you can also add tax rates or customer information if needed. For example, to include GST, click Include Sales Tax, then select Edit. Make any adjustments to the tax rate, and click Update. This way, your income record will include the correct sales tax details. When recording an income, you can also add notes or attach supporting files, such as an invoice or receipt. Once you've completed all the entries, click Save. If everything is entered correctly, Wave will display a confirmation screen showing that your transaction has been recorded successfully. Next step is recording expenses. In the Transactions menu, click Add Transaction, and then choose Add Withdrawal. Fill in the details such as the date, the account name, the withdrawal amount, and the category. The method is the same as when you record income, including adding tax information if needed. When recording expense, you can also add notes or attach supporting files, such as an invoice or receipt. After you've entered all the details, click Save. A confirmation screen will then appear, showing that your income has been recorded successfully in Wave. Step 5. Generate reports. On the left menu, click Reports. Choose the type of financial report as needed. 1. Profit and loss, income statement, shows company performance over a period of a time. 2. Balance sheet. At a specific point in time, e.g., year-end 12/31, shows assets, liabilities, equity. 3. Cash flow statement. Tracks money movement, where money comes in and goes out. Let's take a look at the features included in Wave. With the free plan, you can create and send invoices, record payments, track expenses, and generate basic financial reports. You can also manage your customers and vendors, and because Wave is cloud-based, your data is backed up and accessible anytime, anywhere. In addition, Wave offers several optional add-ons. You can accept online credit card payments with a small transaction fee. The mobile app allows you to scan receipts, and it automatically recognizes the amount and category. Wave can also handle automatic payroll calculations, tax withholdings, and generate T4 or T4A forms. And if you need extra help, you can work with Wave certified bookkeepers for professional bookkeeping services. Altogether, Wave gives you powerful free tools, with the flexibility to add more features as your business grows. This course is designed to give you everything you need to manage bookkeeping like a professional. In the advanced module, we cover bills and vendor management, GST and PST tracking, and the 3 key financial reports, profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow. You'll also learn reconciliation with bank and credit card accounts, as well as receipt and file management using cloud storage, complete with free resources. We'll go deeper into advanced tasks, such as recording employee expenses and loan payments, and you'll gain full skills in client and accounts receivable management, handling invoices, advanced payment options, and customer records. To make your learning even more practical, there are optional add-on services like one-on-one coaching for personalized guidance. The full course is normally $199, but the early bird price is just $99. This program combines essential skills with advanced applications, giving you a complete and professional bookkeeping toolkit. Your next step is clear: this course. The beginner's course helps you start bookkeeping, but the advanced full course takes you further. It helps you truly understand your finances and master profitability. By joining the full course, you'll make your bookkeeping clearer, more professional, and more effective for running your small business. The advanced full Wave bookkeeping course is coming soon, launching by the end of the year with even more comprehensive content. Want to be the first to know? Join the waitlist today. For more information, you can contact me at simplebooks.i@gmail.com, or follow me on Instagram and Facebook at simplebooks.i. Take control of your business with accurate finances. The advanced course will give you the complete toolkit you need. Bookkeeping is simple when you have the right tools. It's not just about filing taxes, it's about building clarity and driving growth. Keep your books simple, and grow your business with confidence and clarity.